What are the free software and applications to use in making a tutorial video? Feel free to pause the video to view the details clearly. Creating a text-to-speech recording. Voice recorder app. Installing the app. Go to Microsoft Store. Click search icon. Type voice recorder. Click the app. Click Get. Click Install. Click Launch. Set up the microphone settings. Scroll down and look for voice recorder and turn it on. Now you're ready to record. Using voice recorder with OneNote. Searching OneNote. Click search icon. Type here to search. Type OneNote. Hit enter. Open the app. Creating a notebook with OneNote. Click notebook icon. Add a notebook. Type your notebook name. Creating. Type your script. Recording the note. Searching voice recorder app. Click search icon. Type here to search. Type voice recorder. Hit enter. Click the app. Start recording. Go to OneNote. Click View tab. Click Immersive Reader. Click Play. Click Back. Go to Voice Recorder and stop recording. Click Trim icon. Trim the recording. Save your file. Listen to your file again. Open file location. Now you have a text-to-speech record. Windows Movie Maker. Installing the software. Type Windows Movie Maker free download. Hit enter. Scroll down the results. Select this link. Make sure you're on this link. Let's compare the two versions. It has free trial but with watermark. So we'll download the classic version. Click Download. Start download. Once downloaded, go to the File Explorer. Open the downloaded program folder. Right-click your mouse and click Run as administrator. Click OK. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Now you have a Windows Movie Maker. Using the text-to-speech recording with Windows Movie Maker. Searching Windows Movie Maker. Click search icon. Type here to search. Type Windows Movie Maker. Click the app. Editing with Windows Movie Maker. Click to add videos. Select your videos. Then open. Wait to prepare files. Press spacebar to play the video. Press spacebar again to stop. Click Edit tab. Click Split. Select the excess video. Press the Delete on your keyboard. Repeat the process to edit other videos. On the Home tab, click Record Narration drop-down. Click Add Sound. Select your sound. Move the bar to side. Repeat the process to edit sounds. Add a title. Type title. Add animation. I use Proxima Nova Bold font. Align title to center. Edit the duration of the video. Add a background color. I use a customized color. Edit more. Once done, save the movie. Choose high definition. Name your file. Save. Wait to save movie. Now you have a movie.